Look at this weather. Over 200 bloody roads are shut down due to flooding. Even the park is underwater. You obviously won't see it because I'm at my house. But, you know, they say. Over 200 roads have also been shut down in the Moreton Bay area due to flooding. My local council area, obviously. It's crazy. I don't know how long it's been raining for. Bloody so long. It's been raining for over 36 bloody hours, man. I can hear a bloody bird. And there's birds going off. And they're trying to take shelter on the bloody weather. Be flooded like a madman. Oh wow. Anyways, bye.